except it is a blizzard right now as we speak. So there's tons of snow everywhere. We actually got stuck on the way here, and I took some footage of it because a fire truck actually pulled us out of where we were stuck. So maybe I'll put that in front or somewhere. But we wanted to show you our outfit of the day because we still dressed up cute and we still came out shopping even though there's a blizzard. So yes, we do love to shop. Alright, so for my outfit, I actually just got this scarf and I love it because I love tribal print everything. And it kind of reminds me of like a tribal kind of print thing. It's from Macy's and I really like it a lot. And then I'm wearing this like batwing cardigan, and this is from Papaya, which is like a store in North Carolina. So I really like that. I'm just wearing like a tank top underneath it that is like light aqua, sky colored, and that is from Forever 21. And then I'm wearing black, like skinny jeans. They are from, I don't know, I think they're like a Miley Cyrus collection maybe, from somewhere. And then I'm wearing my classic bear paws. And we're excited because we just recently got, well actually today, we got some new bear paws because they were having good deals for like snow boots. So we're excited about that. And then my bag that I've been wearing a lot recently, it has like a cool pattern on here. And it's American rag, and then also I added like buttons on it. So one of them is an octopus and it says need a hug, and I got that at the zoo. And then another one says roar. I think I've shown you guys that, but I like roar. Oh, and then I'm wearing like this tie bracelet and then hair ties on this arm as usual. And yeah, so we're just at the mall, and now on to Cassie and then Annalise.
Hi guys, so today I just kind of threw together my outfit. I was kind of really late, just got out of the shower, so this is what I'm wearing. Okay, so for my top, I'm wearing this like kind of fuchsia-y pink, and it's from Pink, so honestly I just kind of put it like 3/4 length. And then for my pants, I got them at Telia's, and they are Carson wash. And then for my boots, they're just bear paws that I got last year. And then my scarf, it's like a white wool kind of knit scarf that I got from H&M. And I'm currently not wearing any jewelry right now, but I put my hair in. And then I have a ear cuff that I got from Black Friday, I think. Yeah, from Claire's. And then for my bag, I'm just wearing my little satchel purse from Kohl's. So yeah, that's my outfit for today. Hey guys, okay, so for my outfit, first I'm wearing this gray hat with a little puff bar on the end, and that is from The Gap. And then I have on a jean button-up shirt, and that's from Target, and I just rolled it up a little bit, like so. And I have on this cream, kind of like oatmeal color circle scarf from Betsy Johnson, and it just has like a row of jewels on it, like that. And then my jeans are American Eagle dark wash skinny jeans. I'm wearing my new Uggs that I got for Christmas, and they're like silver, like a silver black, like that. And then for my purse, I'm wearing my Steve Madden crossbody black bag again. For jewelry, I don't have any necklaces on, but I'm wearing my white watch that I got for Christmas last year. And then this teal cross that I got from Natasha for this Christmas. And this hot pink bracelet with little studs on it, that's from Target. And like the hair tie and just like a little beaded bracelet like that. And that's my outfit of the day. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Go. Bye. Hi! Okay, so it's really snowy here like we said. It's a blizzard around where we live, and I'm pretty sure most of the US it's like snowing right now.
Snow!
Yeah, it's a blizzard, I think coming from Chicago or Something.
Yeah.
Somewhere crazy like that.
Ew, don't eat it.
Throw it away. Put it in the trash chute.
Cassie, we're gonna walk and you're gonna see our prints in the snow.
You can't see them.
Oh,
Here.
okay, we'll stop.
There.
There. I should wear my snow boots. I want some snow, ready?
Okay, well yeah, we just wanted to show you the blizzarding.
Really slippery.
Oh, careful. Okay, bye. Say bye.